MIT researchers have developed a sensorized skin, made with kirigami-inspired sensors, that gives soft robots greater awareness of the motion and position of their bodies. The newly developed soft sensors are conductive silicone sheets cut into kirigami patterns and have piezoresistive properties that is they can change in electrical resistance when stretched. When the sensor distorted due to the robotic arm stretching and compressing, its electrical resistance gets converted to an output voltage which is then used as a signal correlating to that movement. Researchers are now focusing on developing artificial limbs that can flexibly handle and manipulate objects in the environment. A team of materials scientists from Northwestern University have developed a new method to observe the dynamic motion of atoms in atomically thin 2D materials such as graphene and borophene. The thin nature of 2D materials makes them highly sensitive to external environments and affect their stability and reliability in electronic devices. Using a high-resolution, atomic-scale imaging method called electron microscopy, researchers passed electric current to the molybdenum disulfide and witnessed the dynamic motion of sulfur atoms, a phenomenon they termed as atomic dance. This eventually causes the failure in the material. Researchers believe the new approach could be used to develop more stable and reliable materials for future wearables and flexible electronic devices. A new study suggests that modern West Africans carry a small but helpful genetic legacy from a previously unknown, now extinct hominid population. UCLA geneticists Arun Durvasula and Sriram Sankararaman revealed that the ancestors of modern Yoruba and Mende people inherited the genes of extinct species around 24,000 years ago or later. The DNA analysis found 2 to 19% of the genetic material of the extinct ghost population in the genomes of Yoruba and Mende people. Besides, DNA from Han Chinese as well as Utah residents also found to be carrying the genetic legacy of the ancient ghost population. The research hence provides strong evidence that interbreeding of ancient people with various Homo species played a crucial role in the evolution of modern Africans than earlier predicted. Studying the mammalian brain is one of the most complex tasks, and the devices to monitor the activities of individual neurons are still unavailable. Thankfully, researchers from the University of Arizona, George Washington University and Northwestern University have created tiny wireless, battery-free devices that use light to monitor the activities of individual neurons. The device carefully selects neurons with a dye and changes its brightness depending on activity. After that, it passes a light on the dye to capture the neuron's activity and passes the information wirelessly to researchers. This new device would allow researchers to monitor brain's activity without using restrictive equipment and will give detailed insights into the base mechanisms of the brain. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to STEAM Daily Newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.